Farewell and adieu to you, Spanish ladies. Farewell and adieu to you, ladies of Spain. For we've received orders for to sail for old England, and we may never see you, fair ladies, again. We'll rant and we'll roar like true British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the salt seas until we strike soundings in the channel of old England. From Ocean to Scilly is 35 leagues. We hove our ship to with a wind from southwest, boys. We hove our ship to, deep soundings to take. 'Twas 45 fathoms with a wide sandy bottom, so we squared our main yard and up channel did steer. We'll rant and we'll roar like true British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the salt seas until we strike soundings in the channel of old England. From Ocean to Scilly is 35 leagues. Now let every man drink of his full bumper. Now let every man drink of his full glass. We'll drink and be jolly and drown melancholy, and here's to the health of each true-hearted lass. We'll rant and we'll roar like true British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the salt seas until we strike soundings in the channel of old England. From Ocean to Scilly is 35 leagues. We'll rant and we'll roar like true British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the salt seas until we strike soundings in the channel of old England. From Ocean to Scilly is 35 leagues. From Ocean to Scilly is 35 leagues.